Are you looking for a way to reignite your passion and inject some energy into your life? Or have you been having trouble with motivation, confidence, and strength? Ruby is a powerful gem that can give you emotional strength, attract love, and even boost your motivation. It activates the heart chakra so you can tap into its incredible healing powers. Plus, it has also been used for centuries and in many cultures who believe that wearing or carrying this gemstone is brought them luck as well as protection from danger. Meditating with a ruby allows you to access intuition and insight more easily, offering guidance as you navigate through any challenges or uncertainties that may have come up. It stimulates creativity and encourages new ideas, helping you to manifest your dreams and goals. When meditating, place a ruby stone in your non-dominant hand and focus on it. Let the energy surround you and allowing thoughts to surface that will help you make clearer decisions. And while the stone can certainly boost your confidence and courage and energy, remember that all decisions, when carefully considered, use both logic and intuition with this. Wearing ruby jewelry has been used throughout history as a protective amulet, shield, and stone against negative energies or malicious intent. It is also said to help keep you safe from harm and deflect any negativity that is directed your way. Wearing a ruby ring, necklace, or bracelet for an extra layer of protection and positivity is always the way to go. Carry a ruby tumbled stone with you throughout the day when you need to access a little bit of more emotional strength and courage. It is known to be emotionally uplifting and helping one to access courage, strength, and helping to boost your confidence in difficult times. Placing ruby in your personal space can help you create a soothing, calming atmosphere as well as attract positive energies and help you reach your success. Placing one on your desk or in your home office to bring forth a positive boost of energy, focus, and confidence. Place a ruby in your bedroom for passion and vitality, or using to bring a sense of security and protection when sleeping. It is also said if you place it under your pillow, a ruby may ward off bad dreams. Or you can place it in your living room to bring in love, joy, energy, and creativity to your space. To cleanse, ruby is a water-safe crystal, as we know from the Mohs hardness scale. It